Real RX. I used to wake up in my room in the morning, put on my dirty shoes in the morning. Heard mama crying last night, think the lights finna go out. Only thing my mind is hitting the lick. Her nigga in prison for doing some shit. Say I'ma go to prison for doing some shit. Only thing on my mind is booming the bitch. 12-star shit, I hated that house. Had to learn early on being a man about. My mama ain't never buy me shit. I sold drugs and robbed for all my shit. Mama said, baby, that was years ago. I'm stressed about shit happened years ago. This shit'll take a bitch years to know. I cried in the cold till my tears was froze. I hit a lick to help my mama out. How the fuck my mom don't wanna kick me out? How the fuck you gonna send me out to the street? How the fuck you gonna say I can't come home and sleep? How the fuck I come out your pussy, you choose your husband like you knew that nigga before me? How the fuck you gonna turn your back on me? How the fuck you gonna leave me flat on E? How you gonna do that knowing they killed my dad? You supposed to be my mom and my dad. I wish that fucking house had burned down. I couldn't tell you then, but shit, I tell you now. For so many years I held it down. I never in my life wanted to sell drugs. I would've been cool with playing games and shit, but instead I'm running with the gang and shit. Robberies done turned into shootings. Your son done did a gang and shit. It'd take a year to explain this shit. Stay safe, we stay dangerous. Took my brother, that fucked me up. Perk after perk, they fucking me up. 1,000 perks later, still don't do none. Shit's barely work, they supposed to make me numb. Had flashbacks when I was young. Bitches used to laugh and call me a bum. I was with Face, shot my first gun. Before Neo or Jet Li, I was the one.